Hey YouTubers, welcome back to a new video. First of all, thank you for tuning in. I have a Quantum 35 here. It's got an issue with the primer or priming issue, and it doesn't start. It could be any other things as well. In this video, I'm gonna explain you what can be the reason related to the priming issue. Just to show you, but it works for a lot of engine as well. First of all, you need to have a fuel in, and then leave it for some time to fill it in. And if you have a crack on primer bulb, take it out the primer bulb. If you don't have a special tool, you can take it out with a flat screwdriver and put it back in the same way, or push it. So once the primer bulb is changed, and put it back on and tight. Make sure you got it tight, not too tight, but tight enough. The fuel has to come out from the emulsion tube. If that doesn't happen, you got an issue with the housing. You have to take the 3 bolts out and inspect what the issue, and I'm gonna explain you what it is. So once you get this out, make sure you clean everywhere. So make sure you clean all the airway. And I have a WD-40 here. Just try to see how it works. And push it in. Yeah. You see the air part pushing through? That means primer working as well. If one gasket doesn't work, try putting 2 gaskets on properly. I have a carburetor here. I'm gonna show you. And it sits like this. Just like this. In order to work, you gotta have airtight. So some people try putting a 2 or 3 gasket on it. So make sure you have it airtight. Any air leakage, it doesn't work. So the air comes through here and comes up to here, and there is a tiny hole here, and it passes through here. You gotta have a clear passes through, so it goes in, the air goes in here and pushes the fuel through to the emulsion tube, as you can see here, as I explained to you earlier. So for this one, we make sure take this off, clean it properly, and put it back on like this. So it's gotta have airtight. And sometimes 2 gasket doesn't work as well, because these are plastic ones, and they bend over time. You can try fixing with the heat gun, or you gotta change this. Thank you guys, hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.